Hey everyone! Are you tired of eating unhealthy snacks and feeling bad about your diet? Meal prepping is the secret to a healthier and happier you. We're going to turn your kitchen into a super machine, making delicious and healthy meals that'll make you feel amazing. We'll use simple ingredients packed with nutrients to get you excited about cooking. So, grab your aprons, get your knives ready, and let's start this meal prep party. We'll explore the nutrients in our recipes and their amazing health benefits. Okay, let's begin with a super easy breakfast overnight oats. This is a fantastic option for those busy mornings when you need something quick, nutritious, and delicious. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Take some jars and put half a cup of rolled oats in each one. Rolled oats are a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full throughout the morning. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals like manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. Pour in your favorite milk, almond, coconut, anything you like, about 3/4 of a cup per jar. The choice of milk can really change the flavor profile, so feel free to experiment with different types. Almond milk adds a nice nutty flavor and is low in calories, while coconut milk gives a tropical twist and provides healthy fats. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds for a nice texture and to keep you feeling full. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, fiber for digestion, and protein for muscle repair and growth. They also help to thicken the oats as they absorb the liquid overnight. Now, for the fun part, toppings: fresh berries, chopped nuts, dried fruits, or even a dollop of yogurt. The possibilities are endless. Fresh berries add a burst of flavor and are rich in antioxidants which help fight inflammation. Nuts provide a satisfying crunch, healthy fats and protein, while dried fruits add natural sweetness and fiber. A drizzle of honey, go crazy! Honey adds a natural sweetness that complements the oats and toppings perfectly. It also has antibacterial properties and can soothe a sore throat. If you prefer, you can also use maple syrup or agave nectar as a sweetener. Close those jars tightly and put them in the fridge overnight. This allows the oats to soak up the liquid and flavors, creating a creamy and delicious breakfast. The best part is, you can make several jars at once and have breakfast ready for the entire week. In the morning, you'll have a ready-to-eat breakfast that'll give you tons of energy. Just grab a jar, give it a good stir, and enjoy. You can eat it cold straight from the fridge, or warm it up in the microwave if you prefer. Either way, it's a nutritious and delicious way to start your day. Let's move on to lunch. It's time to power up your midday meal with something nutritious and delicious. Today, we're making awesome grilled chicken and veggie bowls. These bowls are not only packed with flavor, but also loaded with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. First, get your grill hot and ready. Season your chicken breasts with a generous amount of salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. You can also add some garlic powder and a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra kick. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. While the chicken is grilling, let's prepare our veggies. Chop some fresh broccoli into bite-sized pieces, and dice some sweet potatoes into small cubes. These veggies will add a great mix of textures and flavors to our bowls. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C and K, and sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which is great for your vision and immune system. Toss the chopped broccoli and diced sweet potatoes in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, and a dash of pepper. Spread them out on a baking tray and roast them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they're tender and slightly caramelized, which should take about 20-25 minutes. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help reduce inflammation. While the veggies are roasting, let's cook some quinoa. Follow the instructions on the package, usually involving rinsing the quinoa and then simmering it in water until it's fluffy and cooked through. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and fiber, making it a perfect base for our bowls. Fiber aids in digestion and helps keep you full longer. Now it's time to assemble our bowls. Start with a bed of fluffy quinoa, then add the juicy grilled chicken slices on top. Next, pile on the roasted veggies, making sure to get a good mix of both broccoli and sweet potatoes. Finally, sprinkle some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a burst of freshness. Fresh herbs are not only flavorful, but also contain antioxidants. And there you have it, a delicious, nutritious, and satisfying lunch that will keep you going strong for the rest of the day. Enjoy your meal. Salads don't have to be boring. We're making colorful and tasty mason jar salads. Start with the dressing at the bottom: vinaigrette, tahini, whatever you enjoy. These dressings provide healthy fats and antioxidants. Add your grains, quinoa, brown rice, farro, for a filling base. These grains are rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Now for the protein-grilled chicken, chickpeas, tofu, hard-boiled eggs, you choose. Proteins are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Load up on the veggies, bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, and leafy greens. These veggies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Top it off with nuts or seeds for some crunch and healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are great sources of omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Close those jars tightly and keep them in the fridge for up to 5 days. Shake and enjoy. These meals are convenient and nutritious, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Let's talk about snacks. That afternoon slump can make us crave unhealthy foods. But don't worry, I've got you covered with DIY snack packs. Grab small containers to control your portions. Think nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, full of nutrients and healthy fats. Dried fruits like cranberries, apricots, and mango for natural sweetness and fiber. For a savory option, chop up veggie sticks and pair them with hummus or guacamole. These dips are packed with protein and healthy fats, making them the perfect snack buddy. Almonds and walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health. Dried fruits like cranberries and apricots are high in antioxidants, promoting overall wellness. Veggie sticks with hummus provide fiber and protein, keeping you full and energized. Hard-boiled eggs and avocado, a protein-packed powerhouse. This simple yet nutritious combination is perfect for anyone looking to boost their protein intake while enjoying a delicious meal. This meal prep idea is so easy, anyone can do it. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, you'll find this recipe straightforward and quick to prepare. First, let's boil those eggs perfectly. Boiling eggs might seem simple, but achieving the perfect texture requires a bit of attention. Place them in a pot of cold water, bring to a rolling boil, then cover and take off the heat. This method ensures that the eggs cook evenly and the yolks remain creamy. Let them sit for 10 minutes, then run under cold water. This step is crucial as it stops the cooking process and makes peeling the eggs much easier. While the eggs cool, prepare your avocado. Avocados are not only delicious but also packed with healthy fats and essential nutrients. Slice it, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Make sure to use a ripe avocado for the best texture and flavor. Squeeze a bit of lemon juice on it to prevent browning. The acidity of the lemon juice not only keeps the avocado looking fresh but also adds a zesty flavor. Pair a couple of hard-boiled eggs with half an avocado for a quick and easy snack or breakfast. This combination provides a balanced meal with proteins, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein which is essential for muscle repair and growth. They also contain important nutrients like vitamin D, B6, B12, and minerals such as zinc, iron, and copper. Avocados, on the other hand, are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. They also provide fiber, potassium, and vitamins E, K, and C. This combination is perfect for those busy mornings when you need something nutritious and filling to start your day. Plus, it's portable, making it an excellent option for on-the-go meals. Enjoy this protein-packed powerhouse and feel energized throughout your day. Stir-Fry Veggie Packs, fast, fresh, and flavorful. Let's get those woks hot and make some stir-fry magic. Chop colorful bell peppers, carrots, snap peas, and mushrooms. These veggies are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Divide them into individual freezer bags or containers. This helps in preserving their nutrients. Make or buy your favorite stir-fry sauce and portion it out. Opt for low-sodium options for better heart health. When you're ready to cook, heat oil in a wok. Using healthy oils like olive or avocado oil adds good fats. Toss in your veggie pack and stir-fry until slightly soft. Add your sauce, cook for another minute. This method retains most of the nutrients. And boom, dinner is served. Enjoy a nutrient-rich meal that supports overall health. Soup or stew in bulk comfort food, reinvented. There's nothing like a warm bowl of soup or stew on a chilly evening. Make a big batch ahead of time and have it ready for when you're craving comfort food. Choose a recipe you love and start cooking. Once cooked, let it cool completely before dividing it into freezer-safe containers. Label them with the date and what's inside. Stack them neatly in your freezer. When you're ready to eat, defrost in the fridge overnight and reheat. These soups and stews are packed with nutrients. Fresh vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. Beans and legumes add protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Herbs and spices not only enhance flavor, but also offer antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits. Enjoy a delicious meal that's good for your body and soul. Let's take a trip to the Mediterranean with Greek yogurt parfaits. They're perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Grab your parfait glasses or mason jars. Start with a dollop of Greek yogurt, which is rich in protein and probiotics that aid digestion. Then add a layer of crunchy granola, providing fiber and healthy fats. Add fresh fruit berries, bananas, peaches, or pomegranate seeds, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sweetness. Repeat layers until full, ending with fruit or nuts for extra crunch and additional nutrients. Forget sugary energy bars, we're making our own energy balls. Start with rolled oats in a food processor. Oats are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you full longer. Add nut butter, almond, peanut, cashew for protein and healthy fats. These help in muscle repair and provide sustained energy. Drizzle in honey or maple syrup for sweetness and to hold it all together. Natural sweeteners like these offer antioxidants and minerals. Pulse until it forms a sticky dough, then roll into bite-sized balls. The combination of ingredients provides a balanced mix of carbs, fats, and proteins. Chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This helps the balls firm up and makes them easier to handle. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. This keeps them fresh and ready for a quick, nutritious snack. Let's wrap things up with protein-packed wraps. Grab whole grain tortillas and spread with your favorite spread: hummus, guacamole, or cream cheese. Whole grain tortillas provide fiber for digestion. Add protein grilled chicken, fish, tofu, beans, or lentils. These proteins help build muscle and keep you full longer. Pile on veggies, spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers. Veggies add vitamins and minerals for overall health. Roll up tight, slice in half, and you're good to go. Meal prepping with nutrient-dense ingredients is key to a healthier lifestyle. These recipes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for your overall well-being. Store prepped meals in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 4 days, or freeze for longer. This ensures you always have nutritious options on hand. Ingredients like leafy greens, lean proteins, and whole grains support energy levels and immune function. Like, comment, and subscribe for more nutrient-packed recipes.